Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how I transformed these very dirty brushes into these very clean makeup brushes that are ready to be used. So if you want to see how I achieved this without using soap and water, please do keep on watching, and don't forget to like this video if you find it helpful. Also subscribe to the channel so you get notified every time I upload such helpful videos. Hi guys, so for the items I will be needing for this tutorial, first on the list in no particular order is the Angel baby wipe, and it's from the brand Angel. If you do not have this one, you can use whatever baby wipe you need, or face wipe, really whatever wet wipes, yes, that you can get is fine. Next on the list is a cleansing water. This one is from Cosmetics and it's their cleansing water. You can use whatever micellar water you have, it's fine. And then some paper towel, of course. The last on the list is this baby right here. You guys, I call this the star of the show. This is actually the reason why we are gathered here. This one is the brand from Esther and Haggai, and it's their 85% isopropyl alcohol. I used this one and it served me well, but when I ran out of it, I did not buy it. I went for a cheaper alternative, which was the Moco Spirits. I'll find a picture of it and insert it right here. So I got that Moco Spirit and poured it into this container just because I needed this spray part of the bottle. And yeah, that's all we'll be needing for this tutorial. So let's get right into cleaning. So we'll be grabbing some paper towel about this much. And then the particular brush we want to clean. So I'm going to spray a bit of that spirit onto the bristles of the brush, and then what you do is to just wipe on this paper towel. It's that simple. If you feel like you still have some product on the brush, please go ahead as many times as possible to spray the spirit onto the bristles of the brush and go back to your paper towel to clean. At this point, my brush is quickly clean. Like, it's very clean. You guys, as a makeup artist, this is my go-to technique for cleaning my brush, because right now I have a client in the next few hours. Once I finish cleaning this brush, I'm going to be heading out to my clients. Imagine if I had to use soap and water to wash these brushes. Cleaning my brush with soap and water would take at least a whole day to dry. Okay, so I can easily just do this and get to work, especially on the days where I have like 2, 3, 4 clients at once. I can't be washing them with soap and water. Like, this just saves me that time. I'll just go ahead, clean it, and then I'm on to working on my next clients. Honestly, this is actually effective in cleaning the brush. It takes away whatever germs is on the brush. It takes away the products. It actually does a good job with cleaning your makeup brushes. I'm just going to continue with cleaning all of the brushes. Spray, spray, spray. Go ahead to clean against the paper towel. Flip over to the other side if need be. Spray some spirits and clean it. So what I do is to wash my brushes only once a month with soap and water. I wash all of them with soap and water only once a month, but after that this is what I do. And I've never had any of my clients complain that, oh, they got a reaction after I did makeup on them. Super clean. So I feel like I would like to change this paper towel at this point. I'll grab another. So this brush I use to apply foundation and also powder, just to show you that this process cleans both liquid products, powdery products, whatever the product, lipsticks, it does the job. This is my foundation brush. I'm gonna spray some of that liquid onto the base of the brush, and then I'll clean it, and you guys will see such a wonderful job it does. Like when I say this is my go-to technique, this is my go-to technique. Yeah, I'll see. I feel like I want to go in some more. Spray, spray, spray. The only cons I experience with this technique is that when the brushes are dry, yeah, some of them, not all of the brushes, like I experienced with this one, it becomes a bit stiff. I mean the bristle of the brush, it becomes a bit stiff. But that's not a problem though, because what I do is just run it through my palms like this, and then it comes back being fluffy again. Aside that, this is what I do every single time I clean my brush, except for the once in a month that I do my brush laundry with soap and water. Yo, how clean is this brush? How clean is this brush? So I'm going to go ahead one more time to explain it. Get your spirit in a bottle, spray onto the bristles of the brush, and wipe across the paper towel. There's still some product on the bristles. Go back with your spirit. And then the brush is clean. So these two brushes, I use them to apply my moisturizers, some of my skin prep products that are creamy or liquidy. What I like to do with these brushes is to grab my baby wipes, okay, and then I'll open up my micellar cleansing water. I'll drop a few drops of this on the baby wipes, and then I'll run this brush across. This is what I like to do for my skin prep brush. And then afterwards, what I like to do is to grab a paper towel because it's still wet. I'm just gonna press it in between the paper towel just to get it dry a little. So because I use them for cream and products, it doesn't matter if they're still wet, it still gets the job done. I'll do the same thing for this other brush because I still have some products on the other side. I'll just go ahead and wipe the brush across the face wipe, and this gets the job done for me. I'll go back into my paper towel, and that's it. So just so this video is not ridiculously long, I'm going to go ahead and clean the rest of the brush in a fast forwarded mode, and I'll see you guys at the end of this cleaning. So this is a good time to go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Please like my video if you find it helpful at all. It goes a long way to encourage me to put out helpful content like this. Don't forget to click on the red subscribe button to join the family and turn on post notifications so you get notified every single time I put up helpful content like this. So I'm not sure I mentioned earlier that using this technique leaves your makeup brush completely dry, and you can use the brushes for makeup application immediately you are done with cleaning them. Okay, and if you're curious, it's the same spirit you find in your first aid box. Okay, I just use the brand called Moko. You can use whatever brand you find. It does the same thing, it gets the job done. And there you have it. Our brushes are all cleaned and ready to be used. I hope you learned a thing or two from this video. If you did, please like this video. If you already haven't, leave me a comment, leave me suggestions on videos you'd like to see. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.